Hello guys, myself Varshini PV. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today's my topic is health and environmental effects of solid waste management. Let us discuss about health and environmental effects of solid waste management. An effective solid waste management system is necessary to avoid public health disasters, spread of disease by insects and adverse effect on water and air. Solid waste workers are the most exposed to the risk of parasitic infection and accidents, and therefore ASWM system must include proper mechanisms to avoid these incidences. Public health effect. The volume of waste is increasing rapidly as a result of increasing population and improving economic conditions in various localities. This increased volume of waste is posing serious problems due to insufficient workforce and other constraints in disposing of it properly. Disease vectors and pathways. Waste dumps indiscriminately provide the food and environment for thriving populations of vermin, which are the agents of various diseases. The pathways of pathogen transmission from waste to human are mostly indirect through insects like flies, mosquitoes, roaches, rodents, and pigs. Diseases become a public health problem when they are present in the human and animal population of surrounding communities. Flies. Most common in this category is the housefly, which transmits typhoid, salmonellosis, and dysentery. Flies have a flight range of 10 km and therefore they are able to spread their influence over a relatively wide area. Mosquitoes. They transmit diseases such as malaria, filaria, and dengue fever. Since they breed in stagnant water, control measures should center on the elimination of breeding places such as tins, cans, tires, etc. Proper sanitary practices and general cleanliness in the community help eliminate the mosquito problem caused by the mismanagement of solid waste. Roaches. These cause infection by physical contact and can transmit typhoid, cholera, and amoebiasis. The problems of roaches are associated with the poor storage of solid waste. Rodents. Rodents proliferate in uncontrolled deposits of solid waste, which provide a source of food as well as shelter. They are responsible for the spread of diseases such as plague, murine typhus, leptospirosis, histoplasmosis, rat bite fever, etc. Occupational hazards. Working handling Workers handling waste are at risk of accidents related to the nature of material and lack of safety precautions. The sharp edges of glass and metal or poorly constructed storage containers may inflict injuries to workers. It is therefore necessary for hand workers to wear gloves, masks, and to be vaccinated. The infections associated with waste handling include skin and blood infections resulting from direct contact with waste and from infected wounds, eye and respiratory infections resulting from exposure to infected dust, especially during landfill operations. Environmental effect. Besides causing health disasters, improper waste management causes adverse environmental effects such as the following. First one, air pollution. Burning of solid waste in open dumps or in improperly designed incinerators emit pollutants to the atmosphere. Water and land population pollution. Water pollution results from dumping in open areas and storm water drains and improper design, construction, operation of a sanitary landfill. Control of infiltration from rainfall and surface runoff is essential in order to minimize the production of leachate. Noise pollution. Undesirable noise is a nuisance associated with operations at landfills, incinerators, transfer sites. stations and sites used by recycling. This is due to the movement of vehicles, the operation of large machines, and the diverse operations at an incinerator site. Odor pollution. Abnormous odors due to the presence of decaying organic matter are characteristic of open dumps. They arise from anaerobic decomposition process and their major constituents are particularly offensive. Proper landfill covering eliminates this nuisance. Explosion hazards. Landfill gas, which is released during anaerobic decomposition process, contains a high proportion of methane. It can migrate through the soil over a considerable distance, leaving the buildings in the vicinity of sanitary landfill sites at work. Even after the closure of landfills, several methods are available for control of landfill gas, such as venting flaring. Thank you for watching my video.